Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, I have discussed about that things with you how can pass some of the object props data to our child component, right? So now friend, in this video, I want to discuss about how can pass some of the function. Okay, here before I have already passed it as a string value. I have already discussed about that object value. Now you can also able to pass some of the function to one component to our another component. Let's do that work. For doing this right now, I want to remove it. Okay, I want to remove it, and here I want to take another constant variable. That means that will be another constant function. Okay, I want to take it as the constant function name. I name it as a btn and click. Okay, I name it as a btn click, and that will be one of the array function. I want to simply call it. Okay, here I want to call it that function. Great. So in here I want to simply call one of the alert. So that will be as a alert, and alert I want to show it that will be displayed as a hello Aryan. Okay, that will be displayed as a hello Aryan. Now this type of the message, then that should be displayed. So here I have already created one of the function, our function name as a btn click. Now friend, I want to pass that function in our hero, that is our child component, and into this area I name it as a item with the same name. If you want to change it, you can also change it, and in particular that area I want to pass that our function name, now function name as a btn click. So now we can actually able to access that function. You can actually able to access this function in our child component as a hero, and into this hero area here now I want to take one of the button better. I take one of the button into the button area, that will be as a submit button. So when you click it as a submit, I want to show that our alert. So here that will be as a on click. Okay, that will be the on click function, and into the on click function area, that first of all we have to get that our props data. Our props data will be which one? Our props area. I have already passed that our function. I name it as a with the item. So now that will be our with the props. I want to access that is our function. So now let's check this out. If you now click as a save all, and now if you go, you can see that is one of the submit button. So if you click it as a submit, yes, you can see our alert is successfully loaded, and also it's displayed as a hello Aryan. Okay, so that is the function I have already created in here as a btn click as a hello Aryan, and you can see here now we successfully able to pass that our function to our child component. So how to do this work, how that our props actually work, friend, I hope you get some of the idea. That is very important, one of the things. Literally everything will be needed. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.